This is Daisy Margaret.
In today's video, we are about to discuss Class 6, Term 3, Unit 1, Magnetism, Part 5. Topics to be discussed: Science today, bullet trains, maglev train. How does the electromagnetic train work? Science today, bullet trains. We are about to discuss what are bullet trains and how do they work. We know that like poles of the magnet repel each other. Keep two bar magnets as shown in the figure. What do you observe? We very well know that like poles of the magnet repel each other. That is, the north pole and the north pole of another magnet, they will get repel each other. So you have to keep two bar magnets as shown in the figure and see what happens. By using repulsion, we can levitate a magnetic object. Let us make a toy and enjoy magnetic levitation. What is levitation? Levitation is the action of rising or causing something to rise. Levitating propeller. Things that we need to create propeller: ring magnets, bottle propeller, a plastic bottle filled with sand, tape, stiff plastic straw, and scissors. Step 1. Make a propeller from 500 ml plastic bottle. Make a hole in the bottle lid. So we have to take the top part of the plastic bottle and we have to create a propeller like this. And you are making a hole in the bottle lid. Screw the lid with the hole on a bottle half filled with sand. Press fit a stiff straw in the lid. Embed the straw in the sand to make it stand erect. So we have to place a straw which is standing straight in a half filled plastic bottle. Then you have to place two magnets, each inside and outside the propeller lid. These magnets will automatically stick to each other. So one magnet should be placed inside and one magnet should be placed outside of the propeller lid. Then the step 4, place a few ring magnets in the straw. Similar poles will repel each other. So you have to place some of the ring magnets in the straw so that the same poles, that is the similar poles, will repel each other. Like poles repel and this levitates the bottle fan. The ceiling fan makes it spin. Place the propeller on the stiff straw. Then the magnets in the straw and the propeller should repel each other. This makes the propeller levitate. On placing it under a ceiling fan, the propeller will spin very fast. This is how we can make a levitating propeller and you can play with it. Have you enjoyed with this toy? Electromagnetic train is working in the same principle. Have you heard about it? Electromagnetic train is called as suspension train and also called as flying train. It does not require diesel or petrol. This technology uses the property of magnetic attraction and repulsion to run these super fast electromagnetic trains. So you can see here in the picture, this is called as electromagnetic train. This is also called as suspension train or it is also called as flying train. This train does not require any diesel or petrol because this technology uses the property of magnetic attraction or repulsion. This property of attraction and repulsion only makes these super fast electromagnetic trains to run. So these are called as maglev train. Maglev, the explanation for it is MAG, magnetic levitation. Magnetic levitation train, that is maglev trains. So you can see here in the picture levitation. So the levitation is the light poles repel each other. So you can see here the North Pole and the North Pole. In the track we have the North Pole and in the train we have the North Pole. So each poles, they are light poles, they repel each other and they rise up to 10 centimeter. By using attraction and repulsion at the same time, the train moves forward. The magnets are controlled by electricity. So the attraction and repulsion, it happens at the same time and the train moves forward. The magnets, they are controlled by the electricity. So you can see here the unlike poles. This is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. So the unlike poles attracts each other. Like poles repel each other. What are the key features of this maglev trains? It has no friction, it has high speed and it has no noise. Which are the countries using these maglev trains? China, Japan and South Korea. These three countries are currently using maglev trains for public transport. Many countries explore possibilities to use this. So for now, these three countries, China, Japan and South Korea, they are currently using maglev trains for public transport. In India, Mumbai Delhi, Mumbai Nagpur, Chennai Bangalore, Mysore routes are considered for proposal. So what about the speed? How much speed? Maximum operating speed is given here in the corner and the speed record has been given here in the black letters. So you can see here in Japan the maximum speed, that is the maximum operating speed is 320 km per hour. The speed record is 603 km per hour. In China, the maximum operating speed is 350 km per hour and the speed record is 501 km per hour. In South Korea, the maximum operating speed is 300 km per hour and the recorded speed is 421 km per hour. How does the electromagnetic train work? Electromagnets are used in electromagnetic train. Electromagnets are magnetized only when the current flows through them. When the direction of the current is changed, the poles of the electromagnets are also changed. What kind of magnets are used in electromagnetic train? Electromagnets are used in electromagnetic train and these electromagnets, they get magnetized only when the current flows through them. So, when the direction of the current is changed, the poles of the electromagnets are also changed. So when we change the direction of the current, the poles of the electromagnets will also get changed. Like poles of the magnets, which are attached at the bottom of the train and a rail track, repel each other. So the train is lifted from the track up to a height of 10 centimeter. At the bottom of the train and in the rail track, the magnets are attached. They are attached in the way that they have like poles to each other. So the bottom of the train and rail track will repel each other so that the train is lifted from the track up to a height of 10 centimeters. So we very well know that we can move any object, any magnetic object with the force of attraction or repulsion properties of the magnet. So this train, this maglev train also moves with the help of the magnets attached on the sides of the track and the magnets fitted at the bottom sideway of the train. By controlling the current, we can control the magnets and the movement of the train. So this is how the electromagnetic train works. As there are no moving parts, there is no friction. So the train can easily attain a speed of 300 km per hour. These trains are capable of running up to 600 km per hour. They do not make any noise. They require less energy and they are eco-friendly. So since these electromagnetic trains, they does not have any moving parts, so that there is no friction, and the train can easily attain a speed of 300 km per hour. It is also capable of running up to 600 km per hour. They do not make any noise and they require very less energy, and they are eco-friendly. Even though many countries have taken effort to use these trains, such trains are used for public transport only in China, Japan and South Korea. So where are these electromagnetic trains are used for public transport? The countries they have taken effort to use these trains. So which are the countries they are using electromagnetic train for public transport? China, Japan and South Korea. So in India, the possibilities of introducing these trains are under consideration. So let us see what are the differences between a normal train and an electromagnetic train. So the electromagnetic train, they have no friction, so that it is less in maintenance. But for a normal train, routine maintenance is needed. For an electromagnetic train, no engine, no fuel is required. Since it has no engine, no fuel is required. But for a normal train, energy requires fossil fuels. So in an electromagnetic train, it speeds in excess of 300 meters per hour. A normal train speeds up to 110 meters per hour. These are the differences between a normal train and an electromagnetic train. Summary of the video, we discussed about Science Today bullet trains, and we discussed about maglev trains, and we studied how does the electromagnetic train work. With this video, we are completing Unit 1 Magnetism. If you have not watched the previous parts, you can find the link in the description box and you can watch them. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.